Hello everyone, it's Alejandro with Total Mortgage, and in the previous video, we discussed the importance of having homeowners insurance. Now, we're going to discuss 3 tips on how you can save money on your insurance. And with us is Yudelka Rodriguez.
Hello, how are you?
I'm very good. So Yudelka, let's just jump right into it. 3 tips, where do we begin?
The roof. I say the roof is one of the biggest discounts on a homeowner's policy. You can start by asking your realtor the age of the roof. The newer the roof, the bigger the discount.
Oh, okay, cool. I know tip number 2, security cameras.
No. Security cameras is not a protective device. What is considered a protective device is a smoke detector, a fire extinguisher, and actually a carbon monoxide detector.
I did not know that.
And a burglary alarm.
Oh, there you go. What about tip number 3?
I'll say the deductible. Choose your deductible wisely. Why? Because the higher the deductible, the lower your premium. The lower the deductible, the more you're prompted to put in small claims, which could actually lead to a policy cancellation and a premium increase.
Wow. So there you go, folks. 3 tips to save money on your premium. How can they get a hold of you?
I am located at 1300 Park Avenue in Cranston, Rhode Island with phone number 401-533-9833.
And I can be reached at 401-808-4427. Again, I'm Alejandro with Total Mortgage.
And I am Yudelka from ProvTrust Insurance.
Thank you.
Thank you.